Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Algorand price prediction and Algorand news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Algorand in 2022. Algorand is a blockchain-based self-sustaining decentralized network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, with all the critical features required for real-world application performance. Algorand supports calculations that require strong performance guarantees to create new forms of trusts. The main network, mainnet Algorand, was launched in June 2019, and as of December 2020, could process almost 1 million transactions per day. Who created Algorand? Silvio Macaulay is a professor of computer science at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and the founder of Algorand. He received the Turing Award in 2012 for fundamental contributions to the theory and practice of secure two-way computing, electronic money, cryptocurrencies, and blockchain protocols. Thus, he is one of the first creators of cryptocurrency in the world. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Algorand. Glitter Finance creates Algorand Solana bidirectional bridge. Glitter Finance recently combined two non-EVM compatible blockchains for an outstanding crypto experience, revolutionizing the bridge's stability and reliability. The company raised $7 million in a private round and announced that they would soon incorporate integrated yield pools in the bridge to create a liquid investment platform. The technologies proposed by Glitter Finance received a grant from the Algorand Foundation to establish a cross-chain bridge across 5 blockchain ecosystems. Because Glitter Finance intends to aid the Algorand community with the ease of moving into other Layer 1 providers, their plan implies a combination of both technology and structure. What is the technology that Glitter Finance proposes? Glitter Finance aims to enable ease of movement amongst blockchain ecosystem platforms using Algorand technology as the backbone. It will first create a bidirectional bridge between Algorand and Solana with integrated yield pools on both blockchains. This will allow the bridge to transform into an investment platform thanks to the redeployment of synthetic tokens created by the Glitter Bridge blockchain 2 and redeployed into the yield pools. What are Algorand and Solana? Algorand is a rapidly growing platform with around $1.5 billion worth of locked digital assets, which will be integrated with Solana through the support of Glitter Finance. Solana is a leading brand in the DeFi industry, with an $8 billion fund already in operation, making it powerful capital finance and high-end DeFi mechanisms. Glitter also plans to add a fiat portal and algorithmic trading into the platform. To encourage the broad use of DeFi, these technologies will be incorporated into the Glitter Finance platform. The ultimate goal of Glitter Finance is to lower the knowledge barrier and make it easier for anyone outside of the crypto realm to use the DeFi platform. The steps of implementation. The deployment was set by Glitter Finance into 3 phases. The first phase, leg down. However, the trend would likely still remain bearish. Conclusion: there was no guarantee that the price would even be able to push up toward the 95 cents level. Selling pressure was likely to mount over the weekend, although a pump upward in search of more favorable short positions could also commence over the weekend. The second news today is cryptocurrency hacks usually make the news. So do arrests of alleged perpetrators. The recent seizure of around $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin, along with the highly publicized arrest of 2 individuals tied to a 2016 attack on the crypto exchange Bitfinex by federal officials, is but one example. Crypto analytics played a key role in helping federal officials identify the alleged Bitfinex launderers. In another case, blockchain analysis may have helped clear the names of 2 suspects in an exchange hack. In November 2020, 2 Venezuelan software developers, Jose Manuel Osorio Mendoza and Calvin Jonathan Diaz, were detained by local authorities under suspicion of stealing around $1 million worth of Bitcoin from a local cryptocurrency exchange called Banker. Mendoza and Diaz maintained their innocence, but remained doubtful they would be able to prove it in court. There is a lot of technological ignorance in my country. Despite being an economy open to crypto, even though we worked at a technology enterprise, we felt this doubt about how we could explain something that was so new and so difficult to understand to a local judge, Mendoza said. At the time of their detainment, Mendoza and Diaz worked at Posant, a Venezuelan software development company that had previously provided services to Banker. Eager to clear his company's and colleagues' names, Danny Penagos, chief operations officer at Posant, hired blockchain analytics company Cipherblade to independently investigate the attack on Banker. Cipherblade's resulting report, reviewed by CoinDesk, tells a complex story of security vulnerabilities and scapegoating, while tracking the stolen funds from Banker for recently blacklisted Suex.io all the way to Russia. The report shows that the stolen Bitcoin eventually ended up on leading digital asset exchange Binance. The Venezuelan court agreed to take a look at Cipherblade's report. Based on the investigation's findings, in January 2021, over a month after the developer duo were detained, the court granted Mendoza and Diaz conditional freedom. In August 2021, the court officially dismissed all charges against them, according to an official document obtained by CoinDesk. While illicit crypto transaction volumes fell by more than half from 2019 to 2020, it's still a multi-billion-dollar market. And the demand for blockchain intelligence services to track illicit transactions is booming. Blockchain intelligence firm Chainalysis has multi-million-dollar contracts with the US government. In September 2021, global payments giant MasterCard agreed to buy CipherTrace, a firm that scans blockchains for illicit activity. Miguel Alonso Torres, a senior investigator at Cipherblade, not to be confused with the MasterCard acquisition, said his firm works on a range of cases from hacks and theft to the occasional divorce case, where a spouse was suspected of not disclosing their total crypto holdings. But clearing two suspects was a first for Torres. As always, at the end of the video, we will introduce you to the latest Algorand, ALGO, price forecasts for 2022, 2025 and beyond. Algorand Price Prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Algorand will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $1.26 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.10 with a maximum price of $1.26 for 2022. Algorand Price Forecast 2023. It appears that by 2023, Algorand, ALGO, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2023, we can expect the average rate to be $1.61. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Algorand's maximum price could be up to $1.86 in 2023. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. ALGO Rate Prediction 2024. The value of Algorand will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2024 is bullish. ALGO is expected to reach a maximum rate of $2.72 by the end of 2024, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Algorand will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ALGO will be between $2.28 and $2.36 expected in 2024 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ALGO ranges from $2.28 to $2.72 for 2024. Algorand Price Prediction 2025. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Algorand could cross $3.99 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2025. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2025 will be around $3.53. ALGO Price Prediction 2026. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Algorand will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ALGO is expected to peak at $5.88. The minimum bet could rise to $5.14 if the market turns bullish. ALGO Price Forecast 2027. For a long-term forecast of the Algorand price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options.